Namaskar and good afternoon, friends. Today we will look at Tejas Networks Limited, which has come up with very beautiful results for Q4. Tejas is a recent company only, incorporated in 2000. It manufactures and designs wireline networking products and wireless networking products both, and it has got a lot of focus on technology, R&D, innovation, etc. It's present in 75 plus countries. Product portfolio includes wireline products like FTTX, optical transport switches and routers, wireless products like 4G, 5G, radio access network, SATCOM, broadcast radio, networking management and monitoring, network management, element management, etc. Order book is very impressive at 9,028 crores as of now. Of that, 8,807 crores are within India, and balance 221 crores are in foreign countries. It has got number of subsidiaries like Tejas Communication Private Limited, Tejas Communication Nigeria Limited, Sankhya Labs Private Limited, Sankhya Strategic Electronics Private Limited, Sankhya Labs Incorporated in USA. Revenue breakup is something like government 30%, of that BSNL, BBNL account for 10%, critical infrastructure accounts for 20%, domestic private is 55%, international is 15%. The company's customers include telecom service providers, ISPs and railways, etc., infrastructure, critical infrastructure projects, etc. R&D. The company is spending a good amount on R&D expenses, and it has to compete with global players in that. It has been granted 31 patents during Q3, and overall patents granted are 313 out of 445 filed. The company has an asset-light model because it has a lot of partnerships with many reputed EMS companies, geographical companies for about 75 plus countries. 15% revenue as of now comes from that. Presence in USA, UK, Brazil, South Korea, Nigeria, Kenya, UAE, Bangladesh, Philippines, Singapore and Malaysia and more. It has got competition also. Good competition is there from global players like Nokia, Huawei, Ciena, etc. Strategic alliances are there. In March 24 also, company has signed an MOU with Telecom Egypt, ITDA and NIT to replicate its experience in implementing BharatNet in India, and NKN, National Knowledge Network projects in Egypt. Government incentives are there like PLI, Productivity Linked Insurance Scheme for telecom and networking products, etc. Sankhya Labs has received approval under Semiconductor Design Linked Incentive. PLI also production linked incentive. So who are the top management? N. Ganapati Subramaniam, non-executive chairman, non-executive director. Anand S. Maitreya is the managing director and CEO. Now let us look at the results. Net sales latest quarter impressive results, 1,171 crores, whereas earlier quarters are not even half of that. So 291% improvement year on year and 109% improvement quarter on quarter. Other operating income is also there, 156 crores. Raw materials account for 778.56 crores, which is 308.6% up year on year and 79.6 up quarter on quarter. Profit before tax is 232.61 crores, which is up 960% year on year and 577% quarter on quarter. Net profit also is impressive at 146.78 crores, which is up 1,380% year on year and 427% quarter on quarter. So sales and net profit for the latest quarter Q4 is very impressive. Earlier quarters not so impressive. Equity is 173.98 crores. Basic EPS is 8.61 rupees on a face value of 10 rupees. That is for this quarter. Currently it is selling at market price is around 1099, 1060 to 99, something like that. Today also it has touched 52-week high. Company has no debt, which is very good. Increasing revenue in the previous quarters also, improving net cash flow, book value is improving, zero promoter pledge. We have seen no debt, no pledge. FIIs are improving their shareholding. Stock has gained very well in the last 1 month. Promoters are decreasing their shareholding slightly, not much. Technicals are somewhat bullish. Inside mid-range performer as on today, but future is likely to be very good. That's what some of the brokerages say. Shareholding, promoters have got a shareholding of 55.6. They have been reducing the last quarter. Mutual funds have increased their shareholding. FIIs and FIIs have increased their shareholding. Institutional investors also have increased their shareholding. Price performance is not bad. Prices have been going up, based on future expectation. MK Global especially has come out with a report which is very good. Its target price has already been reached, 1100. Tejas benefits chiefly from Government of India emphasis on domestic manufacturing and productivity linked incentive scheme, large spends on BSNL, BharatNet and railways, references from TCOM and TCS, thus adding new clients, global move towards replacing the Chinese telecom equipment. Chinese are now going out of favor, our people are in favor. So FY25 could be much better than FY24 also. That is the expectation of some of the people because of BSNL and BharatNet execution. So this is how things are. Tejas network has done well in Q4, but earlier quarters were not so good, but future quarters are likely to be very good. It has got wonderful order book position. Now you think further about Tejas. Thanks a lot.